Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to run connectors in SharpCloud. If I navigate to my connectors, you can see that I already have a demo connector set up. The first way to run this connector is that I can manually navigate to the Result tab and then choose Synchronize in the top right. This will pull my information through from the connector into SharpCloud. There are a couple of other ways that we can run connectors. They all do require the connector to be published. In order to publish the connector, I can select Result, and then in the top right next to Synchronize, select Publish. Publishing the connector signifies that there are no more changes needed for now, but I can always unpublish the connector by selecting the drop-down for that connector and then choosing Unpublish. When a connector is published, to manually run it, instead of needing to navigate to the Result tab and selecting Synchronize, you can just select this Run Now button here. Now that the connector is run, you can see that my items have been pulled through. Now that I've run the connector when it's been published, if I navigate to my data connectors, I'll now be presented with a report for all of my connectors running over a certain period of time. The report includes all published connectors, so if I have multiple connectors that I'm running at the same time or at different points in time, all of those records will be summarized in this report here. You can close the report by selecting any of the space around it. Now that my connector is published, I can also automatically run it by checking the checkbox next to Automatically Run Connector. I can then choose if I want it to run once a day or once every hour. And when that happens, as the connector automatically runs, those entries will be added into the report. And finally, I can also provide myself with a button embedded in a widget to run my connector. In order to do this, I can choose the drop-down for that connector and then copy the embed link. Now that I've got the embed link, I can open widgets and create a new one. And I'll just quickly remove the text and color and then scroll down to the embed URL. In this embed URL section, I can paste my connector information into it. And now you can see that I've been given a window into that connector. So we'll just do a little bit of resizing in order to see the connector and the button. And now I've given myself a nice easy way on any view to select Run Now and then see my item information come through using the connector. Thank you for watching. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.